Cats have an unusual fascination with boxes, and their love for squeezing into even the smallest spaces is a well-documented and often amusing behavior. Whether it's a large cardboard box, a small shoebox, or even a simple outline of a box drawn on the floor, cats seem to be irresistibly drawn to these confined spaces. This behavior is deeply rooted in their instincts, biology, and psychological needs, making boxes one of the most universally appealing objects for felines. Understanding why cats are so obsessed with boxes, even when they are far too small for them, requires looking at their evolutionary history, survival instincts, and sensory preferences. One of the most fundamental reasons cats love boxes is that they provide a sense of security. In the wild, cats are both predators and prey, which means they must constantly be aware of their surroundings to avoid danger while also hunting for food. A box mimics the type of enclosed hiding spots that wild cats would seek out in nature, such as hollow logs, caves, or dense bushes. These enclosed spaces provide protection from predators and allow cats to observe their surroundings without being seen. By sitting inside a box, a cat can feel safe and hidden while still being able to watch what is happening around it. This instinct remains strong even in domesticated cats, which is why they are naturally drawn to boxes as safe zones. The small size of the box does not necessarily deter a cat from trying to fit inside it. Cats have an incredible ability to squeeze into tight spaces due to their flexible skeletal structure and highly elastic skin. Their bodies are designed for agility, allowing them to slip through narrow openings and twist themselves into seemingly impossible positions. This ability comes from their collarbones, which are free-floating rather than attached to other bones, enabling them to maneuver through tight spaces with ease. This flexibility allows cats to attempt to fit into boxes that appear too small for them, as they instinctively assume they can make themselves fit. Boxes also provide insulation and warmth, another key reason why cats are so attracted to them. Cats have a higher body temperature than humans, typically ranging between 38 and 39 degrees Celsius, and they constantly seek out warm places to conserve body heat. The enclosed structure of a box helps trap heat, creating a cozy and insulated space where a cat can maintain its body temperature more efficiently. This is especially appealing in colder environments or during the winter months when cats naturally gravitate toward warm surfaces such as sunny windowsills, heating vents, or soft blankets. The texture of a box, particularly cardboard, may also contribute to a cat's attraction. Cardboard has a slightly rough surface that feels satisfying to a cat's paws and claws, making it an appealing material for scratching, biting, or kneading. Many cats enjoy chewing on cardboard edges or using boxes as makeshift scratching posts, which helps them maintain their claws and mark their territory. The scent of cardboard, which often has a neutral or woody smell, may also be appealing to a cat's sensitive nose. Boxes provide a psychological benefit to cats by reducing stress and anxiety. Studies have shown that cats experience lower stress levels when they have access to hiding spots, and boxes serve as excellent retreats when a cat feels overwhelmed. This is particularly important in new environments or during stressful situations such as a move, the introduction of a new pet, or visits to the veterinarian. Cats often seek out enclosed spaces when they are feeling anxious, as these areas give them a sense of control over their surroundings and help them feel more secure. The concept of, if I fits, I sits, extends beyond just physical boxes. Some studies have shown that cats will even attempt to sit inside virtual boxes, such as shapes outlined on the floor with tape. This suggests that cats are not only responding to the physical structure of a box but also to the psychological perception of a defined space. The contrast between the box and the surrounding floor may create a visual boundary that a cat perceives as a designated area to occupy, triggering its instinct to settle inside it. Another possible reason cats enjoy squeezing into small boxes is their playful nature. Cats are naturally curious and love exploring new objects in their environment. A box provides an interactive and stimulating object that can be used for hiding, ambushing, or playing with toys. Many cats enjoy the element of surprise that a box offers, using it as a hiding spot before pouncing on an unsuspecting passerby or toy. This behavior is closely related to their hunting instincts, as wild cats use similar tactics when stalking prey. In multi-cat households, boxes can serve as a tool for social interaction or competition. Some cats may claim boxes as their personal territory, using them as exclusive resting spots. Other cats may take turns occupying the same box or playfully challenge each other for control over it. The presence of a box can sometimes reduce tension between cats by providing individual safe spaces where they can retreat when needed. Interestingly, not all cats exhibit the same level of interest in boxes. While most felines are drawn to enclosed spaces, some may prefer other hiding spots such as under beds, inside closets, or behind furniture. A cat's personality, breed, and past experiences can all influence its level of interest in boxes. More cautious or anxious cats may be especially drawn to boxes as a source of comfort, while more adventurous or confident cats may be less reliant on enclosed spaces for security. The universal appeal of boxes among cats highlights the importance of providing them with appropriate hiding spaces in their environment. Pet owners can use boxes to enrich their cat's surroundings, creating designated safe zones where their feline companions can retreat, rest, or play. Simple cardboard boxes can serve as inexpensive and highly effective enrichment tools that cater to a cat's natural instincts. The love that cats have for boxes, regardless of their size, is driven by a combination of instinct, biology, and environmental factors. Boxes provide security, warmth, texture, stress relief, and play opportunities, making them an irresistible feature in a cat's world. Even if a box appears far too small, a cat will still attempt to fit inside, driven by its flexible body, curiosity, and instinctual need for enclosed spaces. Understanding this behavior helps cat owners appreciate the unique ways in which their pets interact with their surroundings and provides insight into how to create a comfortable and enriching environment for their feline companions.